I'm Kollin Stagnito at Daher headquarters in Pompano Beach, Florida, and we're flying the brand new TBM 980. So the TBM 980 is the same fuselage, same engine, same propeller as the TBM 960 that it's replacing. It's a rocket. It cruises at 330 knots, and flying around, we were mostly seeing 323 knots, but we weren't as high as we could have been. So fast, comfortable airplane. What really differentiates the 980 from the 960 is a brand new avionics suite. The G3000 Prime, as it's set up in the TBM 980, has 3 large 14-inch touchscreens and a secondary display unit. These touchscreens are very vibrant in color and just a really, really clean, elegant design, but also super functional. The G3000 Prime also has a really logical sequence as you're getting into the airplane and you're getting situated, you know, from the flight plan setup to passenger weight to weight and balance, going through all the checklists. It's just a very, very logical sequence that brings you through the flight. From flight planning, from taxiing, and by the way, the 3D safe taxi is pretty cool. After you start taxiing, you have a blown up 3-dimensional display of the airport environment. And at Pompano Beach, there are 3 intersecting runways and a lot of hold shorts, so that was really, really handy to have. Now, I really love touchscreens, and I love pinching and zooming and pressing the buttons on the screens. But if you would prefer a more tactile feel, or if it's really turbulent, there is a cursor controller, and you can dial in and out zooms and toggle to different frequencies and push to select everything that you need on any of these touchscreens. So that's really handy, especially for people who maybe don't really love the pinching and zooming. So one of the features that I liked the most, and it wasn't even what I was expecting, is controller pilot data link communications. You probably have heard it in terms of ATC texting you your instructions.
And Jackson for 980 Delta, we're trying out our new CPDLC. Do you have time to send us a few messages, please?
Affirmative, I'll send you a good
ATC message.
Whether it is frequencies that you need to tune to, or altitudes, or a whole revision to your flight plan, boy, this is a real game changer. And the ability to have ATC just put that all into a text message is fantastic. But even better, the way it is implemented in the TBM 980 is if they give you a frequency, you can accept, tell ATC that you're going to change that frequency, and then toggle on the frequency and load that right into your comm. And if you get an amended flight plan, same thing. You can accept the amended flight plan and load it right into your flight plan. It's fabulous. You don't have to write anything down. You don't have to load anything into your current flight plan. It's all automatic. Same thing with altitudes. If you have a different altitude that you need to climb or descend to, you can just accept that and it'll go right into your autopilot and you're on your way. So what a fabulous thing. I love it in the TBM 980. Can't wait until it trickles down to even more GA airplanes. The Garmin G3000 Prime is a powerful, flexible avionics suite. And I will say that I think that Daher did a fantastic job of integrating those avionics into this TBM 980.